This video shows you how to replace the PIC tires of your printer. Depending on your printer model, the PIC tires may vary. Turn off the printer. Unplug the power cord from the electrical outlet, and then from the printer. Remove the tray. Remove the used PIC tires. To avoid contamination, make sure that your hands are clean. Insert the new PIC tires. Insert the tray. Connect one end of the power cord to the printer. To avoid the risk of fire or electrical shock, connect the other end of the power cord to an appropriately rated and properly grounded electrical outlet. Turn on the printer.